Hello friends, welcome to Basic Maths. Today's our topic is non-exact differential equations of method 4. So first, how to recognize the problems on method 4. So if mdx plus ndy equal to 0 is a not exact differential equation such that 1 by n of dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x equal to f of x. So here n is a small function. So in this method n is a small function. Then by taking f of x equal to 1 by n into dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x. So this is a continuous single variable function. So here f of x is a continuous single variable function. So in this method we have integrating factor. So the integrating factor is e power integration of f of x dx. E power integration of f of x dx. Then multiplying this integrating factor of m dx plus n dy equal to 0. Then we get exact differential equation. Then integrating on both sides, that is integration of m dx plus integration of n dy equal to c. So here m is a, here in integration of m dx the function of y is constant, and integration of n dy remove all x terms. So this is the method 4. So first check whether mdx plus ndy is exact or non-exact. If the function is non-exact, and in this method here n is a small function, and f of x is a here continuous single variable function, and f of x equal to 1 by n of dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x, and the integrating factor of this method is integration of e power integration of f of x dx. So multiplying this integrating factor on both sides of non-exact differential equation, then we get exact differential equation. So by the general solution of exact differential equation is integrating on both sides. So integration of m dx plus integration of n dy equal to c. Here c is a arbitrary constant. So in integration of m dx y is constant, and integration of n dy contains only y terms and constant terms. So problems. First one is 2y cube plus 2 into dx plus 3xy square dy equal to 0. So in this, this is a non-exact differential equation, and here m is equal to 2y cube plus 2 and n equal to 3xy square. So here n is a small function. So this is small function. So this is method 4. Then dou m by dou y equal to dou m by dou y. So this is 2 into dou m by dou y of y cube is 3y square plus dou m by constant is 0, and also dou n by dou x equal to 3y square, and dou by dou x of x is 1. So finally dou m by dou y equal to 6y square, dou n by dou x equal to 3y square. So therefore by the method 4 condition, what? F of x equal to 1 by n of dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x. So therefore 1 by n value. So what is n value? 3xy square. So 3xy square of dou m by dou y is 6y square minus dou n by dou x is 3y square. So 1 by 3xy square into 6y square minus 3y square is 3y square. So here y square and 3 cancel, that is 1 by x. So therefore f of x equal to 1 by x. Next, coming to integrating factor. So here integrating factor formula is e power integration of f of x dx. E power integration of f of x dx. So therefore integrating factor equal to e power integration of f of x. So here f of x is 1 by x dx, that is equal to integration of 1 by x is log x. So e power log x is nothing but x. So therefore integrating factor equal to x. So by multiplying this integrating factor of given problem, that is therefore x into 2y cube plus 2 dx plus x into 3xy square dy equal to 0. So that is 2xy cube plus 2x dx plus 3x square y square dy equal to 0. So this is exact differential equation. So general solution is integration of m dx plus integration of n dy equal to c. So here integration of m dx, 2xy cube plus 2x dx contains only y terms. So here n contains x terms. So by removing this term, here there is no y term. So integration of n dy is 0. So that is equal to c. So in integration of m dx, y is constant. So 2y cube into integration of x dx plus 2 into integration of x dx equal to c. So 2y cube into integration of x dx is x square by 2 plus 2 into integration of x dx is x square by 2. So therefore here 2 cancel. So therefore x square y cube plus x square equal to c. So here I am writing this x square into y cube plus 1 equal to c. So this is our required general solution. Next problem, x square plus y square plus 2x dx plus 2y dy equal to 0. So here m equal to x square plus y square plus 2x and n equal to 2y. So here n is a small function, therefore this problem belongs to method 4. Dou m by dou y equal to dou m by dou y. So here dou m by dou y 0 and here 2y plus 0 and dou n by dou x equal to is also 0. So therefore dou m by dou y equal to 2y and dou n by dou x equal to 0. So 1 by n of dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x equal to 1 by n value is 2y. So 1 by 2y of dou m by dou y value is 2y and dou n by dou x is 0. So 1 by 2y of 2y. So here 2y cancel, that is equal to 1. So this is equal to f of x. So therefore f of x equal to 1. So integrating factor e power integration of f of x dx. So e power integration of f of x is 1 dx. So that is equal to integration of 1 dx is x. So therefore integrating factor equal to e power x. So by multiplying this integrating factor, then we get the general solution. So therefore e power x into x square plus y square plus 2x dx plus e power x into 2y dy equal to 0. So that is x square e power x plus y square e power x plus 2x e power x into dx plus 2y e power x dy equal to 0. So integrating on both sides. So this is exact differential equation. So here integration of m dx plus integration of n dy equal to c or 0. First integration of m dx plus integration of n dy equal to c. So integration of m dx, x square e power x plus y square e power x plus 2x e power x dx plus integration of n dy. So here n contains only y terms. So here in the function of n, here n contains x terms also. So removing this term we get 0. So integration of 0 dy equal to c. So integration of x square e power x dx plus integration of y square integration of e power x dx plus 2 into integration of x e power x dx equal to c. So here I am using one formula, that is integration of e power ax into x power n equal to 1 by a x power n minus 1 by a x power n dash plus 1 by a square x power n double dash and so on. So this is the formula. So here suppose x square e power x. So first integration I am using this formula. Here n equal to 2 and a equal to 1. So 1 by a. So a equal to 1. X power n. So x square minus 1 by a. X square x power n dash. Dash is nothing but differentiation. So x square differentiation is 2x plus 1 by a square. So 1 by 1 square is nothing but 1. So next one x power n double dash. So here x power n dash is 2x. So 2x differentiation is 2. Okay. So next term x power n triple dash. So x power n triple dash value is 0. So this is the required answer. So therefore integration of first term is e power x into x square minus 2x plus 2 plus y square into integration of e power x is e power x plus 2 e power x into next term x minus 1 equal to c. So e power x into x square minus 2x plus 2 plus y square plus 2 into x minus 1 equal to c. So here e power x into x square minus 2x plus 2 plus y square plus 2x minus 2 equal to c. So therefore e power x into x square plus y square minus 2x plus 2x cancel plus 2 minus 2 cancel, that is equal to c. Next problem, 2xy dy minus of x square plus y square plus 1 dx equal to 0. So in this, so this function, this problem can be written as m dx plus n dy form. So minus 2xy dy minus of x square plus y square plus 1 dx equal to 0. So therefore minus 2xy dy minus into minus plus x square plus y square plus 1 dx equal to 0. So therefore x square plus y square plus 1 dx minus 2xy dy equal to 0. So this is in the form of m dx plus n dy equal to 0. So here I am writing plus. Okay, so here m equal to x square plus y square plus 1 and n equal to minus 2xy. So dou m by dou y equal to dou m by dou y is y and dou n by dou x equal to minus 2y. Okay, so therefore condition is 1 by n of dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x. So 1 by n is minus 2xy of dou m by dou y is 2y minus dou n by dou x is minus 2y. Okay, so therefore minus 1 by 2xy into 2y plus 2y is 4y. So here y and 2 cancel. So minus 2 by x. So this is f of x. So therefore integrating factor equal to e power integration of f of x dx. So therefore e power integration of f of x is minus 2 by x dx. So e power minus 2 into integration of 1 by x is log x. So this can be written as e power minus 2 log x. So that is e power minus 2 log x. So x power minus 2. So that is equal to 1 by x square. So multiplying by this integrating factor. So 1 by x square of x square plus y square plus 1 dx minus 1 by x square of 2xy dy equal to 0. So 1 by x square 1 y by y square by x square plus 1 by x square dx minus here 2y by x dy equal to 0. So this is m dx plus n dy equal to 0. So this is exact differential equation. So what is general solution of exact differential equation? Integration of m dx plus integration of n dy equal to c 0. So therefore integration of m dx. What is integration of m dx? 1 plus y square by x square plus 1 by x square dx plus integration of n dy. So here n contain x term. So n value 0. So integration of n dy equal to 0. So integration of 1 dx is x plus y square into integration of 1 by x square dx plus integration of 1 by x square dx equal to c. So x plus y square into integration of 1 by x square. So minus 1 by x plus integration of 1 by x square is minus 1 by x equal to c. So therefore x minus y square by x minus 1 by x equal to c. So hope you are all understood this topic. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.